Welcome to Smart Choice Electronics, in your #1 plug for premium gadgets and home appliances right here in Lagos. Whether you're chilling with the latest 4K smart TV, keeping things cool with our energy-saving deep freezers, turning up the vibes with powerful speakers, or staying connected with top brand mobile phones, we've got it all at unbeatable prices.
The video you just watched was created completely with AI, including the background music. I created it myself using AI and did few human edits, and that is why I have been able to monetize this video. If you want to learn how, just keep watching. One Egbon Abi Aburo. If you are not yet using AI, if you're not using AI, yes, if you're not using AI, I don't know what you're doing now. No. I mean, AI has been the rave of the moment now for like 2 years in a row now. I mean, hot, and it's still going up. If you're not using AI to create adverts, okay, for your brand or your business, or to even create videos that you can monetize, I don't know what you're doing, honestly. Yes, you're really missing out because now you don't have an excuse. Most channels now are faceless, and there is a way you can still monetize them. You mustn't buy very expensive gadgets. I think there will be a time I have to show you my behind the scenes or my studio so you will understand how I film. It's no longer like you don't have to go through all those stress of buying expensive gears for you to create content. And it's not just about content. You mustn't be a content creator. For that your business, that your hair brand, that your car stand, that whatever, you can be creating videos with AI and sharing on social media to promote yourself. So in this video, I am going to teach you how you can create animated adverts, okay, or animated videos to promote your brand or your business, or to even simply pass a message, maybe comedy, maybe whatever, and it will be going. It's going, small. Okay, so without wasting time, we shall be using Google VEO 3. Yes, Google VEO 3 to do this, and I've made a tutorial before on Google VEO 3. Yes, one video earlier, but I'm still going to make it this time. I'm going to show you how to create adverts, yes, or anything at all that you want. Okay, combining Google VEO 3, Chat GPT, and the rest. Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay, guys, so here we are, and the first thing you're going to do is to go to Chat GPT. Okay, yes. If you don't have an idea of what you want to create, or you have a business and you don't really know how to go about it, go to start with Chat GPT, or you can start with Copilot. Okay, some people call it Copilot, or you can still say it's Copilot. These two does the same thing. Okay, yes. So right now, how are we going to go about it? Let's assume that you have, let's say, an electronic shop, okay, and you want to use a female character, okay, and let's assume that in your head you'll be like, let the female character be a woman in her, let's say, 23. Okay, you can just tell ChatGPT, generate an image of a 23-year-old Nigerian woman with full, I don't think there will be need for a comma here, with full hair and dark skinned, beautiful and elegant. Okay, you can just tell ChatGPT this, okay, and you send. You can also give the same prompt to Copilot, okay, and you spare a few minutes for them to generate the images. Okay, this is your character. And also, don't forget that you can also use your own images. Okay, if you have images, you know, any picture of yours that you want to use, you can use your own image too if you want to. So you allow a few minutes for ChatGPT or Copilot to generate the images. Now take a look at this. This is beautiful. This is elegant. Look at this. Look at what you just generated right now. So I download this. This is looking nice. To download, come to here, click here, and you just download. You see we've downloaded it. I love this. Okay. Yes. So now let's go to Copilot. Look at this. Okay. This is also beautiful. This even looks kind of more realistic, but this is more beautiful with the fine skin tone. You can see that. Okay, this is more realistic, like a real human. You can see the little pulse in the front. So either of them is fine. Okay, so right now, the next thing I'm going to do is I can tell ChatGPT write me, okay, you can tell ChatGPT, write me a 1 minute, adverts are always short, so keep your advert within 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, write me a 1 minute catchy advert script for a Nigerian electronics shop. You can do for hair brand, you can do for anyone, okay? Yeah, based in Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, we sell television, deep freezer, speakers, and mobile phones. So stuff like this. You can also copy this and you can give Copilot the same prompt. Okay, yeah. So we let this run and let us see how it's gonna be. Okay, you can see this. Upbeat music playing in the background, Lagos skyline, traffic, people smiling. Narrator, welcome to Smart Choice Electronics. Now this can be your own name. You can put your own brand name here. Your #1 plug for premium gadgets and home appliances here in Lagos. Comes to a vibrant shot of TV screen right now. You can see at the heart of Lagos, or call us to get, you can put your own address here. Okay, you can see this is beautiful and I love this. Now we can go with this to generate our video. Okay, and look at this too. Are you ready to upgrade your lifestyle? Step into this. You can see it. Copilot also gave us. Okay, so boy, I love this. So what I'm going to do now is to generate this video with this particular script and the lady that we just created. Okay, this character right here. Okay, yeah, so this is beautiful. So we're going to do this right now. So what am I going to do right now? What I'm going to do is we head over to 3 websites. There are 3 websites that we are going to use. Okay, and we are going to use Gemini. Under Gemini, there are 3 websites. Okay, there is the Google VEO 3. Okay, where we can generate videos. There is the Flow app. Okay, let me click on new project. There is the Flow app, and there is also the Google Workspace. And when you come to Google, the 3 websites are all going to be in my YouTube video description and the pinned comment, all for free, so you join them there. But when you get to all these websites, if you've not subscribed to the Pro plan, they are not going to give you this option to generate videos. Now, don't be scared. You're not going to pay any money. Okay, yes. Just sign up, create a new email, sign up for free, okay, and add your cheaper cash Naira virtual card to it. Okay, it's going to allow you to create videos for 30 days. Yes, for free. Yes. Okay. So one Gmail, once you do it, and if you don't know how to do that, I made a video on how to go through that process. Okay. Yes. But if you don't know how to do it and you're having difficulty, you just watch that video, okay, and know how to go about it. Or if you need special help, you can also send me a message on any of my social media handles, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, okay, or any platform at all that I am. Okay. So I can guide you properly, okay, on how to do it. Remember that personal coaching is not free, so you know that, guys. My social media handles are all in the YouTube video description. Okay, so right now let's continue with the video. Right now this is Gemini and this is Google VEO 3. So I come to tools right here, okay, and I click on what? Create videos with VEO. Okay, you can see right here. So now let's go back to Chat GPT, and the first thing we saw was what? Upbeat Afro music playing, Lagos skyline, traffic, people smiling. So let's copy this. I copy this, so I come here and I paste right here, okay, and you can see generate a video with the following features, okay, something like this, and you just send, okay, and let it run. Now, while it's running, you don't have to just keep waiting. Go and start generating the second video. Now, the second one said what? Welcome to Smart Choice Electronics, your #1 plug for, you can see this. So what do? I copy this right here. Okay, and I go back here. Now, while this guy is working, we can come to Flow, or we can use this guy. This person, this Google VEO 3, and this guy lets us upload the image and make the image talk. So I come to VEO 3 right here, click on VEO 3, and I click on image, and I get this lady, and then I type an image, create a video of this woman in a well lit electronics shop saying, welcome to Smart Choice. You can now put your name here. Okay, any name of your choice. Okay, your number one plug, right here in Lagos. You can now also tell it, make the video 1920 by 180. Okay, 80p resolution. You can give it any size you want. Okay, yeah. This one is for YouTube size, widescreen like this. Or if you want it to be like real size, you now write 180p first by 1920. Okay, so I click on, let me select everything here and I click on generate. Okay, so it's generating right now. Let's go to Gemini. I think the first one is ready, so let's take a look at this. Look at what we have right here. Look at this. Look at this. Is this not beautiful? So let's download this. We've actually gotten the first one. So this is the heart of Lagos. You can see. So we've gotten this. This is our first video. Okay. I'm getting impressed already. So another thing you can also do is while it's generating, you can also, just to get another option, you can come here, click on the plus sign, click on upload video or photo files, click here, select it, and give it that same prompt. Okay. And let us see what's going to happen. From here, I click on next. So it is generating right now. Then another thing is also on Gemini, you can generate just 3 videos per day on this Gemini. But for this one, gives you up to 10 videos per day. This guy too is also unlimited. Okay, so whenever you want to generate prompts that doesn't have to do with somebody's face, maybe random prompts, you can use this Flow, because Flow doesn't give you the option of uploading a particular image and making it talk. Okay, so but these two does. So we are watching right now to see what the result is going to be for the second scene. Okay, so I think we have the result of the second scene, and this is the woman. Don't forget, look at her, you can see, and look at what we have right now. So let us play it and see what we have.
Welcome to Smart Choice Electronics, in your #1 plug for premium gadgets and home appliances right here in Lagos. Welcome to Smart Choice Electronics, in your #1.
So right now, let's download this and let us go have a look at what we have. Look at this.
Welcome to Smart Choice Electronics, in your #1 plug for premium gadgets and home appliances right here in Lagos.
Look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. Look at how beautiful this is. Now let us check this guy. I think this guy should be ready soon. Okay, so while it's generating, don't just wait. Don't just wait. You can be doing other things too. Okay, so I think we have it right here. So to preview this guy, click here.
Welcome to Smart Choice Electronics, in your #1 plug for premium gadgets and home appliances right here in Lagos. Welcome to Smart Choice.
You can see that. So when you want to download, just right click and you click on save video as.
#1 plug for premium gadgets and home appliances.
So that's how you download it. Okay, but I think the first one is better, so I'm going with the first one. Okay, so right now we are done with this first scene. Now the second scene is what? Cuts vibrant to shots of TV, like deep freezer opening, speakers booming and sleek, blah blah blah. So I copy this. You can just see vibrant shots. Let's just copy this, and then the next place we're going to go to is, let's go to Flow, and you just tell Flow, generate a video of vibrant shots of TV scenes lighting up, deep freezer, blah blah blah. So I click on next and let's allow it to generate. Okay, so while it's doing, let us also go and get the next scene. Okay, narrator, whether you are chilling with this and this, you can see it. So what do? Let's copy this. Okay, this is the lady talking. So we now do what? Go back to our Flow app, and remember, this is our woman. Okay, so we also get this image of her once again, and we do what? We paste. Okay, you say create a video of this woman saying, okay, then say video background should be related to her words. Okay, so I do what? I click on send. So it is generating again, and watch. Okay, what I'm going to do right now is to generate the rest of the videos, and I'm going to combine them, okay, with basic video editing. Okay, I believe you understand how we generate the videos right now. I've made a complete video guide on how you can edit your video. I mean, if you want to learn how to edit videos properly, the software to use, they're all free. The software to use, the basic prompts, how to cut and how to join, everything you need to do. Okay, I've made a complete tutorial on how to combine your videos and how to edit properly like a pro without any copyright issues. And if you want to get that course, okay, is very cheap. Okay, it's very cheap. Okay, it's very cheap. So let me know if you want that course, okay, so I can give you that full guided video tutorial, okay, and also guide you one-on-one on how to do it. Okay, so right now let us play the final results of these adverts.
Welcome to Smart Choice Electronics, in your #1 plug for premium gadgets and home appliances right here in Lagos. Whether you're chilling with the latest 4K smart TV, keeping things cool with our energy-saving deep freezers, turning up the vibes with powerful speakers, or staying connected with top brand mobile phones, we've got it all at unbeatable prices. Quality you can trust. Prices you'll love. Service that makes you smile. Buy more, save more. Nationwide delivery. Original products guaranteed.
So what are you waiting for? Visit Smart Choice Electronics today too, at the heart of Lagos, or call us to get your gadgets delivered right to your door.
Smart Choice Electronics. Your home. Your tech. Your choice.
Now, just a quick one, okay? Google VEO do offer 1 year free plan, okay, to some countries, okay? And if you are looking to gain that, or if you are looking to have an account on Google VEO where you can have 1 year free trial, okay, you can let me know, you can message me, okay, for us to go about it, and also know that this is not free, okay? Yes. Otherwise, you can as well go with the 1 month plan, okay, and try it out yourself. And if you love it, you can start paying. I don't recommend that you go to paid apps and you just start using it all for free. The developers will have to eat. Developers have to keep the business running. Okay, so but if you want the free plan, okay, they actually offer free trial for 1 year if you need it. Okay, you let me know. Thank you so much for watching till this point. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate you. If you gained value, like I always say, smash the like button or hit the dislike 2 times and tell me why in the comments. Make sure you tell me why in the comments. Kindly share my videos on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms so that other people too can gain true value just like the way you've gotten. Of course, I know you're subscribed already, but if you've not subscribed, the subscribe button is looking at you down there. So please smash it. Okay, thank you once again for watching, and I will see you, my friends, in my next video. Peace out.